can you calculate the speed of a plane flying above your head using your brain only? It sounds absurd, but the problem can actually be solved with a considerable precision. All you need is your hand, a good eyesight, and an accurate sense of time. Alright, if you didn't get it yet, here is a method I propose. It would work best if the plane flies directly above you. You need to straighten your hand towards the plane and make your palm flat. You then wait for the plane to go behind your palm and begin the countdown. Once you can see it again, you stop counting. Okay, so speed is distance over time, which it takes to cover that distance. We got the time, and now we need to estimate the distance which the plane covered. We will exploit the principle of similarity from geometry to do that. Let us look at the situation from the lateral direction. So here's a line representing a palm of width A, and above it we have a plane. I would also put this line representing an arm of length h. Assuming that our eyes are placed right in the middle, our aim is to calculate the length to which our palm gets scaled at the height of a plane's flight. And this line is of exactly this length, because the plane disappears behind our palm at this point and re-emerges at this point. Okay, so we need some precise numbers here. My palm, for example, is 8 centimeters wide and an average arm is 80 centimeters long. Commercial planes usually fly about 10 km above Earth. Our picture has two similar triangles, ABC and AB'C'. This fact allows us to compare some ratios. Namely, we know that 10 km divided by 80 cm is equal to our required length x divided by 8 cm. Bringing everything to same units gives us 10 to the 4 over 0.8 equal to x over 0.08. So x is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, now we are set to perform the main calculation. 4 seconds is 4 over 3600 hours. So the speed is 1 divided by 4 over 3600, which is equal to 900. And that is quite close to the true value. As you see, sometimes the simplest knowledge allows you to calculate seemingly impossible things. So look around and find something to calculate on your own. As a side quest, I want to ask you this question. How can you make your calculation more precise? Internet and Flight Radar app are allowed. And here's another interesting thing I want you to ponder about. Everybody knows that the reason why airplanes fly so high up in the sky is because the density of air decreases with height, which means less air resistance, which implies greater fuel efficiency. But why not fly even further up, 20, 30 kilometers high? And be sure that the plane will still have enough lifting force at that height, so that's not the problem. Leave your answers in the comments and see you next time.